Would you dare to step into the unknown, where every shadow hides a secret? It was a foggy Thursday night when Officer Mia Thompson received the call that would change everything. A young woman had gone missing from her quiet suburban neighborhood, 22-year-old Emily Pierce. The catch? She vanished without a trace, leaving behind only a flickering porch light and a door slightly ajar. Mia arrived at the Pierce residence. Her flashlight cut through the mist as she stepped onto the creaking wooden porch. The air felt heavy, like the house itself was holding its breath. Inside, the scene was eerily undisturbed. The living room light was still on. Emily's laptop lay open on the coffee table, and her phone rested beside a half-empty glass of wine. It looked as if she had simply stepped out for a moment, but never returned. As Mia examined the house, she noticed something odd. There was a faint, musty smell coming from the basement door, just slightly ajar. She drew her weapon and slowly descended the creaking steps. The air grew colder, the darkness thicker. She found herself in a small, concrete-walled basement, cluttered with old furniture and boxes. Dust particles danced in her flashlight's beam. Then, something caught her eye. A corner of the basement where the concrete looked newer, smoother. She knelt down, running her fingers along the surface. That's when she saw it. A tiny, almost imperceptible crack, as if the wall had been hastily patched. Her pulse quickened. She grabbed a rusted crowbar from a nearby shelf and pried at the crack. The concrete chipped away, revealing a hollow space behind it. Inside the wall, Mia found a small, hidden room, just big enough for a person to stand. The walls were lined with disturbing Polaroid photos, images of Emily, taken without her knowledge, in her own home, some as recent as that very night. But the real horror was in the center of the room, a single wooden chair facing a wall-mounted camera, its red recording light still blinking. Someone had been watching Emily for weeks, right from inside her own home. Just then, Mia's radio crackled to life. Dispatch to Thompson, we just received a 911 call from the Pierce residence. Caller claims they're hiding in the basement. Mia spun around, heart pounding, her flashlight shaking in her grip. The basement stairs creaked behind her. She whipped around, but only darkness stared back. The door at the top of the stairs was now slowly swinging shut. What do you think happened next? Did Mia escape? Or was the hunter already inside the house? Drop your theory in the comments.